Hello and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to convert an HTML file to Word document. When you open an HTML file in Word, Word automatically converts it into a web page format. Open a blank Word document and click on the File tab. Click on Open. Click on Browse and select the HTML file which you want to convert to Word document. Check whether Word has formatted the document exactly as it appears on the web page. If not, make necessary changes. After making changes, click on the File tab. Click on Save As. Click on Browse. From the Save As type drop-down menu, select the Word document option. Click on the Save button. That's all. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. If you found my tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon to get notified about my new uploads.